Hi, my beautiful people. How are we doing today? How are we doing today? Let me hope we are well. Let me hope we are doing amazing. Sorry I've been away, but here I am. Happy to be here with you. Happy to join in for this new session today. So come through. Let me hear from you. Let me know how you are doing. Hope you have been okay and hope you have been doing amazing. So let us get started without wasting any time. Without wasting any time, we come through full energy all the way. Let us see how the day is going to play out. Okay. Survey over there. Hi, how are you doing? How are you doing? Hope you are well. Jacob, good morning here in Hawaii. How are you doing? Hope you are amazing. Over here, it is in the afternoon for us. So if it's morning that side, happy to have you around. Hope you are doing okay. Hope you are doing amazing. It is 3 p.m. Canadian time, so please join in and let us see how the day is going to play about. Okay, Shirley over there, I see you. How are you, my darling? How are you doing? Hope you're well. Thank you for coming through for yet another session. Happy to have you around. Let me see how today is going to go. I'm still finalizing with my setup over here such that we dive straight into today's session without any distractions. Okay, so definitely we get through it. We see how it's all going to play out. We believe for the very best. We believe for the very best. Let us see how the market is going to play along today. Definitely, what we always look out for are those amazing points, are those amazing opportunities for us to place in a trade. So come through, let us stick around and we see. Neil, I see you over there. How are you doing? Thank you for coming through. Hope you are well. Hope you are amazing. So let me hear from you. For the people that are tuning in, you're most welcome. For the new ones, please like and subscribe. Let us keep the channel growing. Let us keep it going. Okay, Jacob, once again. Hi, Jacob. How are you doing? Hope you are amazing. I've missed you guys so much. I've missed you guys so much. But here I am. Here I am with us all. Lorenzo. Hi, Lorenzo. How are you doing? Hope you are amazing. Thank you for coming through. Happy to have you around. So let us get straight into it. I've missed you guys so much, and I believe we have missed a lot. So let us dive straight into it and we see how it is all going to play out. Just finalizing with my setups here such that we see. Ask them, Lorenzo, is anyone else watching? Ask them, ask them. And definitely, we would love to know where each and every one of us is tuning in from. Come through. I've seen very many people from Kenya, people from Nigeria, people from all over the world, people from Jamaica. I have someone who promised me a trip that side, so please come through. Let me hear from you and let me see how the day is going to go. Come, let us analyze this market together such that we see how to go about with it. Okay, Rhoda there, I see you. How are you doing, my dear one? Thank you for coming through. I've been away, like I said, on times when you see that I'm not around. Definitely, I'm trying to handle a few things here and there, but I am actually supposed to be live each and every single day. I'm supposed to be live each and every single day. That is 3 p.m. Canadian time. All right. So each and every single day, that time to wherever you are, please, you are able to tune in and definitely we stick here together. We learn a few things. As we all know, this is an educational session. So we come through, we learn a few things here and there. We go back home or we sit back, try to practice them, try to make ourselves better. Then definitely we become better traders, right? So over there, I see Ivan. Hi, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are doing amazing. Thank you for coming through. Atta, my dear one, happy to see you once again. Hope you are well. Hope you are doing very, very fine. Jojo over there. Okay. Excited for the session. I'm so excited for the session myself over here. So let us get into it without wasting any time. All right, that is Blobby. Blobby, how are you? Hope you are well. Hope you are amazing. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for coming through. Always excited to see you, my amazing people over here. Okay, so let me have my introduction for the chat. That is Brent Oil OTC, as we can see over there. And I've set it at 400 US dollars, 15 seconds. That is my expiry time. 5 seconds for the candle, for the candles. 15 seconds time expiry, 15 seconds. That is still my chart time frame. 5 seconds. That is for the candles. Okay. So let us get into it. As we can see, alligator indicator, as we always say it, that is the main indicator we are using here, backed up by the MACD indicator. Okay, so pocket option, that is a platform that I am using, binary options trading. Okay, so that is my introduction for the chat and definitely what I'm trading and what platform I'm using. We all have to know about this such that maybe you never know. People pick interest day in, day out. And definitely, you find that someone is asking themselves, if Lena is trading on pocket option, how do I do it? Please, the link is in my description or go in my bio. You will definitely have the link over there. When you click on it, it will take you directly to Pocket Option and you will be able to sign in if you wish to, okay, such that you also have that account, okay, and you are able to do the trades whenever you feel like trading, whenever you have to trade, whenever you feel you have some money to do the trading. Okay, Jacob says going to be awesome Monday. I believe for the very best. I believe for the very best. Marcy's over there, Keltner setting. Right now, I'm not trading Keltner channel indicator. I'm not using that indicator, but whenever I'm to use it, I use it at its default settings. Okay, so you can check it out and leave it at its default settings. Okay, Jojo over there, I'm happy to be here. I'm also so happy. I'm excited. Okay, I'm excited. We are getting started. We are getting started. Okay, the bank, I think that is the bank, and I've always been having you around. Thank you very much. Always excited to see you come through whenever you can. Thank you very much. Please, for the new people, for anyone who is viewing in wherever you are viewing in from, please do not hesitate to like and subscribe. Let us keep growing our channel. We are doing great, but definitely we need to keep going. We need to keep getting to where we have to be. The journey is still, we still have a long way to go, right? Okay, let us go. A Penta there, I see you. How are you doing, my dear one? Feeling good today? I am also feeling so good. I feel so fresh. I feel so fine. So thank you for coming through. Thank you for coming through. After over there, you make this look effortless. You see, I've been trading for over 5 years, I should say. When I started, when I started trading, I was focused so much onto crypto trading. Okay, but then I um, I I was introduced to binary options trading, and I saw that it was. Let us observe the market together. Let us see how the day today is going to play along. Okay, so the fact that we have not been having our sessions for the past. Okay, so as I was saying, we since we have not been on our sessions or having our sessions, meaning we have a lot of numbers, we have a lot of people who sent in their donations. So today we are going to start off with the donations very early enough to see that we try to beat the numbers. Okay, so for the people that are just joining us, for the people that are just coming through, please, you are most welcome. Happy to have you around. Excited to see you come through. So let us get ready for the donations. Okay, I'm seeing someone who is viewing in from Paris. Thank you for joining through. Thank you for coming through. I'm so happy to have you around. Okay, that is it. Alessandra over there, I see you. Thank you for coming through. Happy to have you around. I'm so excited to see you guys come through. Okay, let us get to it. That is FEMA over there, 350 US dollars, 3 items. Today, we are all over with positivity, beautiful vibes, beautiful energy. So, let us see how the market is going to be. Let me hope and believe the market is not going to act funny today because we have to cash out some profits, right? So, let's see. Let us see. Okay, so remember, whenever we are going to have our donations, I always share with you the list of the people that I'm going to trade, that I'm trading for in that particular time. So we do the trading together, all right? So I don't want you to be there saying I did not see my name. All my money was not traded. We trade together, we move together. The people in the comment section, please, you are my second traders. I do my part this side. You also trade with me. So let us get straight into it. And we see that is with a buy position over here. Let us see. Okay, that is a plus for us. We have a plus. Atta, I see you over there. Yes, I am in my zone. I am in my zone. Trust me, whenever it comes to trading, that is where my comfort is. That is where my happiness is. I feel so excited. And when I come here, I interact with my fellow traders. The happiness, the joy that I get is unmentionable. So let us keep it going. That is for Fema over there. We have run through with our first attempt. Two more to go. No wasting time today. Our win is loading. Our win is loading. Alessandro has already seen that. Let us see. Okay. Look at that. We are moving perfectly well. Perfectly well. So let us keep it going. Let us keep it going. Okay, so one more attempt to go. Neil, Alessandro, Penta over there. Hi, how are you, my beautiful people? You are so amazing. Thank you for sticking around. Jacob, I see you over there. Thank you so much. Thank you for the love. Thank you for the support. To each one of us that is just joining in, please do not hesitate to like and subscribe here at Lena's channel. Definitely, we are all in for learning, improving ourselves, and becoming better traders. So let us keep it going. Let us keep it going, and we see. Look at that. We have someone joining in from Cameroon. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for coming through. Happy to have you around. Happy to have you around. We keep it going. Much love to people from Cameroon. A lot of love to each and everyone who is joining in. Okay, we go in for our last attempt with a sum. Oh dear. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. Our first comes through. We have made a loss on our last attempt. So sorry about that, Fema. My sincere apologies. I do not need to be making losses right now or ever. And the fact that people have been waiting on their profits, I do not want any losses. Oof. Okay, my sincere apologies to Fema over there. So sorry about that. Okay, 550 US dollars. That is for Neil. Five attempts. Okay, let us get ready to dive straight into it for Neil. We are looking at 5 wins for Neil. Okay. We are on the positive side right about now. We are on the positive side, but remember we have 4 more attempts to go. Okay, look at that. We are revenging. Let us revenge for the first loss that we made. Okay. Johnson, hi, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Thank you for coming through. Happy to see you right over here. Let us get into it. Just a few more items to go. Look at that. There we are with our third attempt. What are you saying? We are cashing out. We have to positivity, positivity all the way, positivity all the way. Let us keep it going. We keep it with the beautiful vibes, and definitely we shall get to where we want to be. This is revenge. We are definitely revenging for the first loss that we made. That is Modsen. Hi, how are you? Hope you are well. How is it difficult? To write on the Telegram channel, you need to first subscribe. When you subscribe, sending me a message will be very, very easy. But if you've not subscribed, then you cannot send in a message. Please, my dear Mutsen, subscribe and then you will be able to send in a message. Definitely, I would love to hear what you have to say. So, subscribe, send in a message, let us chat. Right. I am definitely waiting on you. Okay, Neil. Oh dear. Oh goodness. Oof. The market is not going easy on me. The market is not going easy on me. So sorry about that now. Okay, so we're getting into it. That is for Mojito Star. 350 US dollars, 2 attempts. I believe at this point we have to, I believe right about now, we need to be humble. I think revenging will not help. Let us get humble, let us focus harder, and we see. Okay, we have a plus for Mojito Star. So let us get another plus. We need to be on the good side. We need to get on the positive side. We came all through with beautiful positive vibes. We do not want our energy to die out just like that. Okay. Okay, so for the start, that is our first win. Our first win. And for the people that are just joining in, today we have dived straight into the donations early enough, simply because I've been away for some days. So the number of people who sent in their donations are quite many. So I had to start off early such that I'm able to at least beat the numbers. So if you're joining in, do not ask yourself, why is Elena starting this early today? I explained to you earlier that whenever I start early, that simply means we have big numbers to beat. Okay, so come through, talk to me, let me know how you are doing. Today, market fluctuation is driving me crazy. Okay, that is beautiful. That is beautiful for Mojito Star over here. Congratulations. And he is, so far since we started with the donations, he is the first person to get profits. Mutsin over there. Okay, so for the trainings, like I'd said earlier, I posted something on Telegram, so that's why I was telling you to subscribe, and then at least you will be open to the Telegram channel. Okay, so subscribe, then it will be easier for you at least to see what I post, to chat with me. We discuss this and that. Please, there it will be so easy. Okay, as I withdraw to Mojito Stars wallet. Okay, so definitely you will be able to see whatever has been posted, whatever will be posted, and you shall be able to follow. So I started off with a video that I posted there. We are trying to do some learning slowly by slowly. What I want is for us to at least learn something day in, day out, to so that we try and improve ourselves, more so for the beginners. Okay, so that is Lunara Shift, 1000 US dollars, 3 atoms. Okay, 3 atoms is what we are taking for shift. The fact that Mojito Star has opened the profits, we want to keep going with the profits. Let us continue with the profits. Okay, that is a plus for us. Let us see with the other 2 items. No going back. We have to be better at making profits. So definitely I need to focus harder, because today the market has been acting funny, and at some point starting to feel like now it's not funny anymore. It needs to be serious because we need to cash out. We have taken 2 whole days minus cashing out, so please, we need to cash out. Okay, so for the people that are viewing, in, thank you for coming through. Happy to have you around. Okay, keep joining, keep joining. Let us see how the day is going to go. Let us see the vibe the amazing session comes with. Okay, we go in for the second attempt. Okay, when we talk about the spikes, that is what we talk about. That is what we talk about. Let us go for our last attempt. Let's see. Okay, so maybe the other thing that I wanted to talk to you about, the journey of trading, I will not say it's an easy one. You see how I keep saying I've been in trading for over 5 years. It does not mean that I've had a smooth ride all the way through. I've not. I've had lows, I've made losses, I've blown my accounts, like I've been telling you. So, what do we have to do? I reached a point and I gave up. Okay, my giving up, it was like a week, and then I remembered that also going into employment was not my favorite part. So, I had to gather myself, come back, sit, understand a lot about risk management. What was disturbing me and what will disturb my beautiful beginners will be not knowing risk management or not understanding how risk management helps. All I used to do was to trade, placing my trades, make losses, get frustrated. Let me tell you, when you make those losses, you get frustrated. You get frustrated. But the other thing that helps us, risk management and then also being consistent. When you are consistent, know these things of today you trade, you take a number of years and days, months, or something of the sort, minus trading. Keep trading, make mistakes, learn from them, and then you end up becoming or being or doing better for yourself. Okay. The reason as to why I always like talking about this, it's because at some point I got frustrated and I wouldn't want any of that for you. Okay, so 350 US dollars, that is for Denzel and 2 attempts. So that's experience that I got, what I learned from trading. I always share it here. I always tell you how stressed I was, how things were not making sense. But being consistent, being patient, being disciplined, learning about risk management, all that helps a lot. Having the knowledge about what you are doing. When we talk about price action, when we talk about the pullbacks, when we talk about support and resistance, all these different strategies, how do we use them? How do they help us? Okay, so when we have that and we've understood it, we come to our indicators. Okay, these indicators help a lot. They really do help a lot. Like I keep telling you, the alligator indicator definitely helps so much in the market direction. Okay, they help so much with the market direction. Then also the momentum, the trend momentum. So We have a lot to learn. That way, we gather knowledge, have the knowledge, know about risk management, have the consistency, the discipline, the patience, the emotional control. Let me tell you, when you do not have all these things, you keep getting frustrated, you keep losing your mind. Okay? You cannot trade, you cannot make profits when you are emotionally unstable. Take that from me because it happened to me very many times. So, one more attempt, we'll go to a Denzen and then we shall have profits. Look at that. Okay, we have profits over there. Let me tell you, we are getting started. We are getting started. The other first time when we made some losses, we were not yet there. But right about now, let us see how everything is going to play out. Okay, Joshua, I see you over there. How are you doing? Hope you are well. Thank you for coming through. For the people that are asking me about what time I'm always coming live, what time do I always come for the sessions, that is at 3 p.m. Canadian time. All right, so always at that time, let us get down to business. We get down to learning a few things here and there. Then we see how to better ourselves in trading. Day in, day out, I will give you what I have experienced in my trading. You know, with that, you add on the knowledge, you add on all the things that I keep telling you. Why not do something good for yourself? And binary options trading is not difficult. It's not really. So we are basically scalping. We are scalpers. So okay. Having that trading technique, it helps so much. Okay, so we are on to it. Okay, Penta over there, I see you. Okay, Brian Otieno, hi, how are you doing, my dear one? Hope you are well. Thank you for coming through. Excited to have you around. That is amazing. If we are all on the same page. Coffee, hi, Coffee, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Happy to see you. Happy to have you around. Let us keep it going. We keep it vibing. We keep it vibing, okay? Penta, yes, my dear. Day in, day out, we learn something new. And it's always amazing if we close a day or if we close a session when we have learned something. Okay, so 600 US dollars. That is for Flame. Taking it for 2 attempts. Trust me, we are here to learn. These sessions are always for learning purposes, educational purposes. So that's why I keep asking you to send in a question. Let me know what you think. We share ideas, okay? Come through, let me know. If we are talking about the strategies, if we are talking about these indicators, what indicators are best, are your best that you use, okay? If it is for the strategy, for you as a person over there trading, What strategy are you using? Which one is way more better for you or easier for you in trading? I've been telling you ever since we started these sessions, I always go out for something that is going to be easy for me, you know. So we come here. That is basically for the beginners. For the people that have been in trading for a long time, we know exactly what to do. But for the beginners, we have to go soft and we have to go easy on them such that we all catch the same fish. All right? So let us keep it going. Thank you, Jojo. Thank you, my dear one. And always thank you for coming through. Penta, day in, day out, we shall keep learning and getting better with our trading. Thank you, Lorenzo. Thank you, Lorenzo. Neil over there. Thank you, my darling. Thank you, thank you, thank you. That is what I want. I always want to know that at least someone is benefiting from this whole session. Okay, so that is an motivation. So when we are here, purely price action, okay? So that simply involves a market structure. And definitely when I'm on my charts here, okay, I watch the market. And with the indicators, I always tell you that I use the alligator indicator and the MACD indicator. Those are two indicators that I use to monitor the market. Okay, so what does that mean? Okay, so for these indicators, I always set them at default, okay, or their standard setting. Then definitely these two indicators with the price action, my indicators helping, I am able to have better entries. Okay, so with those better entries, okay, we can say there are very many strategies that we can use. Okay, different strategies, as we all know, support and resistance. We have the pull, we have price action. We have very, very many strategies that we keep looking at. So the strategy that I use, that is price action, pure. Sorry about that. I'm trying to focus. I want to. I am doing my level best to get profits over here, as we can see. Okay, so these indicators, as I've been saying and as I've been trying to take you through how these indicators work, they help me so much with the market direction, with the momentum. They really do a great job for me. Okay, so definitely there I set the amount that I'm using, the time expiry, the chart time frame as well, which is 15 seconds, and that is 5 seconds for the candles. Okay, so definitely I believe when we have that, we shall be able to make profits for ourselves. We shall be able to trade. And for the beginners, as I explained, I am here to such that we can learn, we share ideas, we share our different experiences. And if you want to try this out, okay, we have our demo account. Okay, we have the demo account. Try it out, practice before you go into real trading. If you feel you are perfect, if you feel you have become better with yourself, please do trade, make money, and then we see how life goes on. Okay, definitely, as I said earlier, Pocket Option, that is a platform that I'm using. The link is in my my bio or in my description there, so you can go if you are not on Pocket Option platform. Join in, do make some money for yourself, or do practice and then get better in trading. That is amazing for Flame. Congratulations. Congratulations. I told you, now we are awake. We are awake to cash out. We are here to make some profits in and out. The market was trying to get to our nerves, but you have to stay calm. Do not panic. Do not fight with the market. Stay calm, and definitely things will get better. Things will be okay. Jamu Salas, hi, how are you? Hope you are well, my beautiful and amazing people. If I pronounce your name wrongly, please, from my heart, don't take it at heart, okay? I love you guys so much. I appreciate you so much. And with the names, we shall get better. Actually, I would have said Salas. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you for that. I really do appreciate you. Neil, thank you, my dear one, for the consistency. Thank you for sticking around. Thank you for rolling with me. Let us keep it going. Okay, thank you, Lorenzo. I appreciate you. Oleg Boss, hi, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Thank you for coming through. Happy to have you around. Wild, we are looking at a take profit of 4K. Okay, getting better. Trust me, we have to get better together. We have to get it together. Thank you. Thank you, Jojo over there. Thank you, my dear one. Stefan, hi, how are you doing? Hope you're well. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for joining in. That is our sell position over here. Let us see whether we have, yes, beautiful. We have made the best decision. So let us keep going. Remember, Wild is looking at 4K as the take profit. Okay, so my beautiful people, do not forget to like and subscribe. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let us make this amazing. Let us make the channel grow. Let us make it beautiful. Positive vibes, amazing energy around here. So we keep on that journey until we get to where we want to be. Would you still love me? If I could be strong. Yeah, we money long. Kuma, hi Kuma, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are doing amazing over there. Thank you for coming through. Happy to have you around. If I could be strong. Let's go. Remember, we are looking at 4K. Are we on the good side? Are we on the safe side here? Oh dear. We did not move even past the second, the second attempt. Okay, 1,500 US dollars, one attempt. That is for Karima. That is for Karima. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Let me tell you one thing. In this trading life that we get into, no one should ever lie to you that all was so perfect. Sorry, let me get some water. Okay. Let me see. Where were we? Shivan, is this live or recorded? It's live, my dear one. It's very, very live. And if you need to catch the live, when it starts, sorry, when it starts, how it goes, one thing you should know is that I am always alive day in, day out. Every single day, here, live, same time. That is 3 p.m. 3 p.m. Canadian time. All right. So each and every single day, same time, come through. Let us try to learn something. Let us try to improve on our trading with Lena over here, and we see how everything goes along. Okay. Okay, that is Mika. Okay, it's Mika. Hi, how are you? Hope you are well. Hope you are well. Thank you for coming through. I'm happy to see you around. Okay, so as I was talking about trading, no one is going to come and tell you that Shivan, the candle, sorry, for the candle, that is 5 seconds. 5 seconds. Thank you. Thank you, Joe. Thank you. We are going to proceed with the donations. Just trying to organize something small here such that we proceed. So as I was saying, no one is going to tell you that for me, I've never made losses ever since I started training. Our accounts have been blown. We have gotten frustrated. You feel like the world has come to an end because your last savings have been have been like have been taken. So you feel like everything is against you, and you know very well when it comes to money, you feel like everything is against you. Okay, so we learn from those mistakes that we make in trading. That's why I was saying earlier that we have certain things that we need to put on paper, that we need to follow. One, that is a trading plan. You need to have a trading plan. You need to have a plan, not just trading just for just, okay? We have to understand risk management because in trading there are a lot of risks involved. And the fact that we are trading binary options, it is risky. Why? Because we are dealing with smaller time frames. When we are dealing with smaller time frames, that simply means that the chances of losing are very high. So risk management is the other thing that we need to know about. That we need to be consistent. Know what you want in trading. Don't come for a joke, or don't come just playing around and then get up and go. Come, be consistent. If you want to be financially independent, like I've always wanted, trust me, you will be consistent. You will know certain things and how to do them and how to follow them. Then also the patience is very, very important. We need to be patient with this market. The market is unpredictable. You set up everything the way you want it, and then the market just flips just like that. Volatility is one of the things that make people go crazy, because the market is up and down, up and down, up and down. So you place in a trade and then boom, it is all going to a loss. So the patience, the discipline, the emotional, controlling our emotions, those are the things that we need to look at. There are a number of things. Then before we come into trading, or before we come into the market, let us like organize ourselves. That is, preparing ourselves emotionally. If you have had a certain day, like we all know, there are those days when things are completely wrong. You start from the first minute of the day to the last minute of the day, and things are wrong. There are certain ways how people calm their emotions. Me, I do meditate. Number two, I'm someone who loves listening to music. I'm not someone who knows how to sing so much, but there is that soothing music that I always love listening to. It calms me down. I'm in my room where I do my trades from. I do my meditation, or if I feel the concentration is not there, then I put on my music. It helps me a lot. So organize your emotions before you come into trading. It's very, very helpful. All right. So slowly by slowly, we help each other. We grow together. Like you see on my YouTube channel there, or in my description, I talk so much about learning and being an educate, like having educational sessions here. So let us learn something here, and then let us learn something here, become better, improve ourselves, because at the end of the day, me, that is what makes me happy. That is what makes me keep going, when I know that at least this person comes in the chat section and they are like, I learned this, I'm practicing it, and I'm starting to see some profits here and there. Okay, so that is all I want. That is what will make me so happy. Okay, so that is a little I can share with us. That's why I always give you the platform. Tell me what you think. When we are trading, how do you handle it? How do you do it? Let's share. And then other people, more so the beginners, will also pick something to learn from. We get a few tips here and there. Let me tell you, If I learn something from Lorenzo and Lorenzo learns something small from me, if we have a painter over here, if he shares, this is the kind of strategy that I use for my trading. Probably maybe someone who uses a price action will be like, okay, let me try support and resistance, let me try this. So in a way, we end up all benefiting from these sessions that we have day in, day out. Okay, so do not hesitate or do not fear to come here, share. We can share about the different strategies that we are using, the different indicators. What do you think? Maybe someone will be like, RSI is a very, very good indicator. I use it so much. It's the best and all that. So we keep sharing, we keep planning, we keep improving ourselves. Guys, I love you so much and I appreciate you so much. So let us keep it going. And we have definitely withdrawn into. Okay. Okay, we are continuing. Karima, congratulations. I had not congratulated you. A Lily over there, 350 US dollars, 4 atoms. Okay, for the positive and beautiful comments in the comment section, that is Lorenzo, Penta, Jojo, Neil. Thank you very much. I really do appreciate you. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. That way we get better with ourselves, we get better in trading. So we shall start sharing a few things here and there. You learn from me, I learn from you. However much I've been trading for 5 years plus, there in trading every single day you learn something new. Every single day you learn something new. Okay, so next, that is for Lily. Let us see how to go about it. Okay. Beautiful. That is a plus for us. We have three more items to go. That is for Lillian. Okay, let us get ready to get into the second. That is the second attempt. Thank you guys so much. Thank you. Movies hits. Hi, how are you? How are you? Hope you're well. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for coming through. Okay, that is a plus. We have a plus, two more items to go. Okay, one more to go. One more to close it up. Okay, so we close it for Lily. That is amazing. Okay, congratulations, Lily over here. The market has gotten better, but trust me, by the time we started, the market was driving us crazy. So that is Jacqueline over there, 750 US dollars, 2 items. Okay, we are in for our first attempt. Oof. On our first attempt, we have made a loss. Let us give it one more try. We see. Okay, that is a plus. So we have a plus over there. So one more attempt, and we should be able to cash out. Oh no. Oh no. This is not nice at all. So sorry, Jacqueline. We have made a loss on our second attempt. So sorry about that. Okay, that is Nixorix, 350 US dollars, 3 items. DJ System, hi, how are you doing? Hope you are well. Hope you are doing great over there. Thank you for coming through. Thank you for coming through. Hope you are well. How is everyone that side doing? That's lovely to know. That is lovely to know. We are also here and we've missed you. We've missed you, but we are happy that before the session got done, at least you managed to come through. Thank you for coming through. Okay, as we are getting onto it. That is for Nexorix. Okay. We have two more items to go. Okay, we are in for our second attempt. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. So that is for our second attempt. We have one more to go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. How you can like it? Yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, let us have it. That is amazing. Amazing. Congratulations. That is for Nexorix. Congratulations. DJ system. All right, all right, all right. Take your time. Take your time. And all is well. I always believe in positivity. I always believe in winning. Profitability, we are getting there. Yeah, yeah, yeah. I don't like you. Okay, so we have one person to go. That is Vel Morian, 350 US dollars, 3 items. Okay, two more to go. We have two more to go. I don't like you. Yeah. Mr. Police, hi, how are you? Hope you are well. Hope you are doing amazing. Okay, that's amazing. We have one more attempt to go. Okay, I always love it when I close with a plus. Always, 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 it makes me happy. It makes me feel complete. Okay, I love it so much. So, congratulations. That is for Velmo, Velmori Ann. Okay, thank you very, very much for the participation, for sending in the donations. I really do appreciate you guys. I appreciate you so much, so much. Each and every single day, let us keep it This way we keep it multiplying, growing, interesting. Let us see ourselves achieving what we are supposed to achieve. The knowledge, understanding more of trading, those are the things that we are supposed to achieve. Okay, so thank you very much. That is it for the donations. We have just a few minutes to close up. Just a few minutes to close up. So let me use them to try and do a few placing a few trades here. So for the people that have gone away, or for the people that have cashed out, congratulations. For the people that have gone away with profits, congratulations to you. And for those that have not, please, my sincere apologies, and trust me, let us stay positive. With the market, it's unpredictable, but we cannot always be making losses. Next time, let us believe for the very best, okay? All right, so that is it with the donations. Let me see how these few minutes left play out. Okay, so when I get back to my beautiful people, when they are supposed to be joining in, when does the session begin? When should be waiting on you, Lena? One option is like and subscribe. You will definitely be getting a notification that right about now we are yet to go into another session with Lena. The other is 3 p.m. Canadian time. That is the time I am always going live. So always come through, stick around, let us learn, let us improve ourselves. Definitely, we start small, but I know by the end of it all, we shall benefit something from it. Okay? So, today has been a bit calm in the chat section. Tomorrow I need to see way much vibe than we have received today. I think people have been calm because they did not know whether I was going to come through. We were going to have a session today. Here I am. Tomorrow we continue. We continue like that, like that. Okay. Okay, so as I was saying, we have really had an amazing session today. We have had an amazing session today, so please, my beautiful people, let us keep it up. Let us keep the numbers coming through, the vibe coming through, the profits coming through, and we see how it's all going to play out. Okay, so tomorrow, same time, 3 p.m. Canadian time. Let us come through. Let us join in. Let us enjoy the session. Let us keep the vibe growing, the energy up in the air, right? I'm feeling good. Thank you, Lorenzo. I'm seeing that is Hamidi saying that I do not understand. You do not understand much English, so I will request that at least you use a translator such that you understand what exactly is going on, what is happening, because at the end of the day, I do not want to leave you behind. Okay, so thank you very much, my beautiful people, for today's session. It was amazing. Have a blessed evening, a beautiful night to wherever you are tuning in from, depending on our different time zones. So have a lovely time. I'll see you tomorrow. Bye bye.